Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have an awesome product on my desk. It's a gaming router guys. Yes, you heard me right. This router is designed specially for gamers with some awesome features. It's a very powerful and the fastest router I've seen till now. It's made by Netgear and the model is XR500 Nighthawk Pro gaming router. You've got a picture of the router on the box. Let me show you its features. It has a dedicated gaming dashboard, geo filter, quality of service and gaming VPN client. These are some of its amazing features. I'll tell you in detail about them later. First, let's see what else is written on the box. You've got all the technical specs of this product here. It's a AC2600 dual band multi-user MIMO router. It offers speeds up to 800 Mbps in the 2.4 GHz band and 1733 Mbps in the 5 GHz band. Has 4 high-performance antennas, additional DFS channels for interference-free gaming, has a powerful 1.7 GHz dual-core processor, 5 Gigabit Ethernet ports and 2 USB 3.0 ports. The specs of this product look really promising. This is like the next level stuff in routers. So this is how the backside looks like. Oh, wow! It says optimize your gaming performance and crush the lag. Very nice. And are you seeing all these images? This thing looks like a super cool high-tech stuff. And guys, this router is powered by Duma OS. Now Duma OS is a special operating system made for this router and packs some powerful features and customizations. We'll check out all the features later. First, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank Netgear for sending me this product for review. The box packing of the router is very good. It gives the product a premium look. Alright, let's open the box and check it out. So here it is. Are you seeing the size of this router? Holy smokes, this is massive! I've never seen a router this big in size. We'll check out the XR500 in a moment. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You get lots of user manuals in different languages, a warranty card, some brochures, and you also get a Nighthawk Pro gaming sticker. There's also a CD in the box. I guess it has the user manual and the installation guide. Here are its antennas. You've got 4 high-performance antennas and the build quality is very nice. These antennas look like ninja swords to me. I love the design. You get 2 power adapters in the box. One is a UK type model and the other one is a Europe type model. Both of them are 12V 3.5 amp power adapters. And you also get an Ethernet cable in the box. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the Netgear XR500. Let me take it out of this cover. Oh my god, just check this thing out. It looks like a beast among routers. Just for a comparison purpose, let me put it side by side with a normal one and show you. It's almost 3 times larger than a regular sized router. Now let me show you the design of this router. The Nighthawk Pro XR500 looks like an alien spaceship. It's got a futuristic design. You've got the Netgear logo here and has lots of vents on the front that look like air intakes on a sports car. And at the middle, it has a total of 11 status LED indicators. There's nothing on the right side, just the design. And this is how it looks from the back. To be honest, the XR500 looks like the Lamborghini of routers. Just check out those vents. Seriously, I'm quite impressed by the looks. You've got some ports over here. Let me show them to you. You have a status LED indicator on-off switch, reset button, 2 antenna connectors at the back, 5 Gigabit Ethernet ports, 4 of them are for the LAN and the yellow one is for the WAN. There's also a DC port for the power adapter and a power on-off switch at the last. So these were all the ports on the back. Now this router has 4 antenna connectors, 2 at the back and 2 on the sides. And it also has 2 USB 3.0 ports on the right side where you can connect some external storage drives. Let me show you how it looks from the top. The build quality is solid. It's completely made of high quality plastic with a matte and gloss finish. You have 2 buttons at the top for the Wi-Fi and the WPS. Now let's check out how the bottom looks like. You've got 4 large rubber foot pads on all the corners, lots of vents and some info regarding the router. So that was my unboxing and overview on the Netgear's Nighthawk Pro XR500. I've also fixed the antennas. This is how the router looks like. This is one of the coolest looking router I've seen till now guys. I'll be using this router for a few days before I can make the full review. In the full review video, I'll be showing you all of its features, those gaming features like gaming VPN client, geo filter, quality of service, device prioritization. I'll show you all of that. And we'll also talk about the network stability and the connection speeds. So stay tuned for that video. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.